Hello, my name is Paul Burns, living in Bradford, West Yorkshire, England. Today I'm going to show you how to configure an EQ plugin so that it emulates a large format mixing console EQ section. So here I have a graphic of a channel strip of a large mixing desk, and I'm going to configure this Waves SSL Q6 equalizer so that it behaves in a near similar manner. I have 6 bands to play with here, and I can adjust the parameters and activate and deactivate each band as I choose. The first thing you're going to see, which on my mixer is marked low cut but should really be defined as a high pass filter, is a button that's highlighted here and is usually found in the input stage of the channel strip. Here I shall adjust the frequency to 75 Hz and the Q to 18 decibels per octave, which will give a nice roll off, cutting out all the low noise and rumble. Next, at the bottom of the channel strip, you have a fixed frequency low shelf filter, which I'll adjust to 80 Hz. You can use this to increase the gain and fatten up the bass end if necessary. Again, you can adjust the Q factor as desired. I'll leave it alone on 7 here. So we approach the low mid filter, and this has a range of 100 Hz through to 2K, and I will set it at 400 Hz. Both the low mid and the high mid filters are bandpass filters, and I'm going to adjust the Q on both of them down to 1 to give a nice smooth curve. The high mid filter has a frequency range from 400 through to 8 kHz. And I'll set it at 2K, dropping the Q down to 1. Finally, at the top of the channel strip, you have a high shelf filter, and as can be seen here, this has a setting of 12K. You can adjust the gain up and down as required. Now I've one band left over here, so purely for aesthetics, I'll raise the frequency to 20,000. That'll put it at the end. However, leaving the band switched off wouldn't affect anything. Over to the right, you can adjust the overall gain, and this will be shown in the meters to the far right. By clicking and dragging, you can adjust the gain and the curve of the EQ envelope. When you're happy with your preset, you can save it by clicking on the Save button, going down to Put Preset into Menu As, and naming it as you so desire. It's then there for loading at a later date. This really has been a quick overview of how to make the Waves SSL Q6 perform like a channel strip on a mixing desk. I suggest more in-depth study of each and every parameter available, especially the Q function. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, and thank you very much indeed for watching.